Now let's talk about Links contract. So the first thing I'll do is I'll open my browser and I'll open my app in an emulator. So what is Links contracts? Now if you check the platform, you'll see Links contracts, a peer-to-peer digital marketplace where you build, buy, and sell digital assets and make daily, weekly, or monthly profits. So what you do here is basically you are buying and selling and building. Now those are the three functions according to the updates that we have now. Now the first thing you want to do on Links contract is you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it will take you here. It's the same page here. So you can just sign up from the website or go to the app and click on sign up. So after you click on sign up, you fill in your detail, and once you fill in your detail, you get an email, and you click on the email, you verify. After you verify, then you come back to the app and then you log in. So you sign in. And after you sign in, the first thing you're going to see on the platform is you see these skip contracts. Sometimes ads
Hey
are going
guys,
to pop up.
so
Now, looking at this place, you see buy contract, skip contract, and start building. Now, if you click on the skip contract, you see that already you can start building on the platform. And if you can't find a build, close the app and come back in few minutes. So there are times that you might have a delay in seeing a build here. All you just got to do is just close the app and reopen. But you can see the build has appeared. Now, this is how to build. Every single day, you're going to build 10 times. So when you
hey
click on the
guys,
build,
so I got this
it
app.
will
It's
show
called
up the
Ayoba.
ads.
It's a chat app that helps you with beauty tips and cooking tips. A super app that feeds me music and the latest sports content. I
Now, the app is basically showing this ad. And then after it's done, you close it. So you close this and you'll see this portion that will tell you preparing your reward. Good job. Hold on a minute for your reward. So after that, you'll see that you have one extra links coin. Now, that's 0.00002. It's actually one that was added here. You can see we have 8 build left. Now you might be wondering that, okay, how do I get one links coin? Because you can only withdraw when you have one links coin. Now that's where the extra feature, which is the multiplier, the auto build, that's where it appears. That's where that feature is important. Now, if you click on learn more about Linkscoin, you can see Linkscoin is a digital currency made by Links Contract platform. This is a coin which each individual could buy on the Links Contract app. And you can see these are the multiplier works. In a week, you get about 10 persons, 10 builders. And this is what they're going to be building for you daily. Just imagine, just now you built 0.0001, and these 10 persons are building 0.001 as your bonus. And the bonus is on the 10th build. So you have to build the coin 10 times every day. Now, the second week, you're going to be having around about 100 estimated additional builder, which is going to give you 0.01 daily. Now, the third week, you're going to have zero point 0.1 daily because you have about 8,000 persons. Now, the fourth week, you have 10,000, and Just imagine the fourth week you started a business, and at the end of the month, you find out that you're making one links contract, I mean, one links coin every day. And this links coin, each links coin is $6. You can see 100,000 estimated additional builder. And all this process is going to happen once. It's not like you're going to be buying the contract again and again. No, you just buy it once. So when you click on this, it will tell you buy contract here. So it's advisable to buy a contract. Now this is it. You close the ad. And then once you click on buy contract, you can buy from a reseller. It's very easy. What you just do is click on that link and you see buy contracts. So you select if you want to buy with crypto, you can buy with crypto $4.5, or you select your country, Nigeria for example, and you fill your email here, Rocky586 at gmail.com. So you search by country, and after you search by country, you're going to find the list of resellers available. Now, presently you see my name. Yep. So when you click on links contract, when you click on buy for $4.5, you can make a payment. Now, this account detail you're seeing here is the account of a reseller. Now, you also can be a reseller. I'm going to explain that shortly. Now, after you have made payments to the account above, you will click on this button I have sent. You can contact whoever is selling to you, and then you submit. So once you submit, you get an email. I'll get an email as well. So that email, I'm going to click on it and approve your contract. So let's say you click on this, you submit, and contract bought successfully. Now, after you've done this, you go back to the app and it's still looking the same, right? So you contact me, and all I just got to do is just approve you. And once I approve you, you are going to have your own digital contract. So you have your own multiplier. And the benefit of that is that the multiplier will get you free builds every single day. So you just come and get free builds. So when I close the app, let's open it again. You'll see this time when the app is going to load, it will show you start build. You can see it didn't say buy contract anymore. So when you click on this, you see build. Now you can see build coin. Now when you build, you will have an advert pop up as usual, and then you close it after the ad is shown. And so you can see preparing your reward. Now with this, the interesting part is you're still seeing 0.0000. That's one addition. That's making 3 now. But the interesting part is after you've done your second build, your third build, your fourth build, your fifth build, your sixth build, your seventh build, your eighth build, ninth build, when you get to your 10th build, you see bonus build. Now, the first day you buy this digital contract, you might not see a bonus build on it, but the second day you're going to see bonus build. Yeah, definitely. So you can also share, like you can share nearby, share with your friends. You also make extra profit, but just imagine trying to get 100,000 person. That's a waste of time. So you just buy the digital contract, and that is how you will enjoy the full package. Every day, just ensure that you're building every single day. And you'll see that your bonus, that's the 10th build, is going to be more every single day. Like today, it might be, let's say, 0.0001. It will keep increasing and increasing per time. So that is how it works for buying, for building of the Links coin. Thank you.